stator, rotor, stator fan, and other auxiliary part fan and fan covers. Here you can see the different parts in single pic. Stator, where the supply is to one, rotor, which convert mechanical electrical power into mechanical power through the shaft. The stator is a stationary part of the motor. It is made of high-grade alloy steel lamination to reduce the eddy current losses. And they are laminated stator part. The laminations are slotted on the inner periphery and are insulated from each other. As I have discussed earlier, these laminations are supported in a stator frame or motor body which is made up of cast iron or fabricated steel. The thickness of the lamination is hardly 0.5 mm. The insulated stator conductor are placed in these rods. They form the three-phase stator winding. The stator winding can be connected in star connection or in delta connection. Rotor. Rotor is the rotating part of the induction motor, as I have discussed. The rotor is built of thin lamination of the same material as a stator. Again, the purpose of the lamination is to reduce the eddy current losses. And this rotor is directly connected to the shaft, like that. That is shaft. There are two types of rotor. Squirrel cage rotor. On the basis of type rotor, the motor is also defined as the same type as rotor. The motor having a squirrel cage rotor is known as squirrel cage induction motor. In the squirrel cage induction motor, both the ends of the rotor are short circuited by the same metal as conductor wire. Second one is wound rotor or slip ring rotor. In the slip ring induction motor, the slip ring is connected at the shaft so that additional resistance can be connected as external resistance of the rotor. That is squirrel cage rotor diagram, end ring, both are end ring, and these are rotor bar. That is practical diagram. The conductor are slightly skewed, and the skewed conductors having some advantage. More uniform torque is produced and noise is reduced during the operation. Locking tendency of the rotor is reduced. Actually, when the rotor rotates in the air gap, it is probability that rotor may be locked due to the magnetic effect. By using skewed conductor, the locking tendency of the rotor can be reduced easily. The wound rotor or slip ring induction motor. Slip ring induction motor is used where speed is to be controlled with the help of additional resistance. The rotor windings are connected in star. The open ends of the star circuit are brought outside the rotor and connected to the slip ring. The external resistor serve the following purpose. It increases the starting torque and decreases the starting current. Or in other words, that is used to control the speed of the three-phase induction motor. That is diagram of the star connected slip ring rotor, where these three are slip ring and the external resistance are connected through the slip ring. Advantage of the rotor is injection motor, lowest instruction and cheaper, and there are no brushes in case of squirrel induction motor, so it reduces the risk of sparking. Less maintenance is required and higher efficiency. An advantage of slip ring motor: high starting torque and low starting current.